Good morning, guys. Good to see you again. Just an update, I don't know if there's going to be an end in sight for online classes. I think the decision is going to be made on Friday, but certain areas are being red flagged for emergency travel only, like where I live in Plintong, so be careful. Okay, first lesson was over mean, median, mode and modal, which is the same thing, and range, which I didn't do a video on because I hoped it was review or it was quickly attained through the resources that I've given you. So this lesson's a little bit more complex, so that's why I wanted to do a video on it. Okay, so if we have our data set, and it's a grouped or continuous data set in which the grouped numbers, so we can say these are marks. So these are marks. That means 11 to 20 marks, there were 8 people that got it. 21 to 30, there were 16, and so on. Now, we want to find the averages of this group. So, to find the mean, we have to find the middle, the middle number of the marks. So how we do that? So to find the middle, we subtract and divide by 2, which is 4.5. So then we know that the middle, right, basically the median of 11 to 20 is 15.5. So the middle is 15.5. So we can say that this is 25.5, 35.5, and 45.5. We need those numbers because I had to grab my calculator. And yes, I know you guys are using calculators. I'm not stupid. Okay, so to find the mean, actually we're not even finding the mean, we're estimating the mean. So to estimate, we have to find the middle point, or the midpoint, and we have to multiply it by the frequency. So 15.5 times 8 plus 25.5 times 16, 35.5 times 9 plus 35.5 times 7 equals 'em. So we add them all up. Divided by the total, which is 40. So the mean, the estimated mean is 32.25. Estimated median. How we do that with a frequency table is actually quite simple. We know that the total number is, we'll just say this is 40 students. Okay? So we know that half of 40 students is 20. So we start from the left and count to 20. This is 8, so 20 is going to be in here, right? And again, we count this way. 7 plus 9 is 16. 20 is going to be in here. So the median is 21 to 30 marks. We don't have to get the exact number with the data group or continuous data. We just do the grouped, which group is the median, not the exact number. Mode and modal is easy. It's 21 to 30. Range is a little bit more difficult. Because these are continuous and grouped, there's actually a rounding. So for the range, you need to go, the smallest number, that could be 11 if we were to round it, is 10.5 is the smallest number. And the largest number, if we were to round it, is the book says to go to half, but that doesn't make sense. So I'm just following the book. It should be 55, not 55. It should be 50.4, but I'm following the book, and we'll just say it's a half, so 50.5. And again, the reason is because this includes everything that would be rounded to 50, so that's 50.1, 50.2, 50.3, and all numbers in between as well. So, define the range. Equals 40 marks. It's a little bit more complex. So, again, if you have questions, you can let me know. Hope you guys are doing well. All right, thanks.